My name is Retang and I am the director of Setšong Tea Crafters. So we specialize in producing teas that are made out of indigenous plants growing in the natural landscapes of Limpopo. What's special about these teas is that they're organic, they're wild harvested, and they contain so many nutrients that are just providing health and wellness to the body. So we'd like to invite you to learn more about our teas and visit our online shop, which is at www.setšong.co.za. We've got a variety of different tea blends. We've got a Black Bush tea that's called Tepane, and we use this Black Bush tea as a multivitamin, a natural multivitamin that provides you with vitamin A, C, E, and zinc. And we've blended it into flavors like an orange spice fusion, we've got a lemon, ginger, and cinnamon fusion. We've also got a delicious chai spice fusion. And we use real chai herbs in this blend, so you're getting all the nutrients of the chai herbs as well. And then we've got a really interesting root tea that's called Dia. What's interesting about the Dia root is it's a similar species to the African potato, but it's red in color. And it being a root, it contains very high levels of fiber. It also contains beta-carotene and zinc. So it's good for the gut health, it's good for your digestive system, great for the skin, and it's also great for balancing your blood pressure and the natural sugar levels of your body. And we've infused it with orange, ginger, and turmeric. It also provides calm to the body, so this is a calming tea. And then we've got it in lemon, ginger, and berry as a detox tea. So we really hope that you can experience this indigenous tea discovery with us, and that the tea will do for you what it's done for generations of Bapedi people in the rural areas of Limpopo, which is improving their health and maintaining wellness of the body.